vlog, new day, new hike. 8 miles, there we go. Made it to the end. This is McAfee Knob. Oh. I think we're almost to the top. I remember this part. Made it up.
Let's go.
Here's the rock. I accidentally sat in a puddle. One of these puddles. My butt's up. That is such an L. Alright, we're hiking back now. The guy at the top said he saw a bear and his cub. Made it back. Didn't see the bear, unfortunately. Oh my gosh, I almost put my hand on that. They're everywhere. Goodbye.